I try my best whenever I show off anything with the Z Fold 7, not to just make the joke that it's a Z Fold 6 special edition, but it's getting really difficult to fight those allegations the more pictures that come out. Because you're looking at it and you're like, wow, feel like I've seen that before. And you know what? You probably have. So right here, we got the Z Fold 7. This is a leaked image of someone actually holding the device. You can see there is plastic wrap on the back, so I believe, I would assume, okay, I'm going to assume this, okay? I'm going to assume this is a back plate. This is not the actual device. Could you look at their hands, right? It looks like they're holding a piece of aluminum or it's stainless steel or whatever, titanium, but they're not. It doesn't look like a phone. If you look at the right hand corner right here, right, where mouse is, you see that there is no phone there because there would be some type of like actual, like it wouldn't go like flush with that. So I think this is just a backplate. Now I don't know if this is from the factory or this is potentially maybe a dummy unit that is sent to like case manufacturers. I know case manufacturers, especially this time right now, we're talking about mid-May. The production just started of these devices. These come out in mid-July. So I'm sure case manufacturers are trying to get as many units as possible to go ahead and stack up in the warehouses so they're ready for this phone to come out. And looking at this, this might be somewhat similar to what that is. But again, like I said, usually with dummy units, it's a full unit. It's actually like it's actually a Z Fold 7. But the difference is usually they gut the inside. So imagine like a Z Fold 7, but nothing inside of it. It's just hollow. That's usually how these case manufacturers, when they get dummy units to be able to make cases off of, that's usually how it works. Usually it's a hollow phone. So you're not actually making a case off a real legitimate phone. Well, you kind of are, but you're not using it as like an actual product. Therefore, the case manufacturers can't go ahead and sell that phone or leak images of inside or test it or whatever, you know. So it looks like this is just a back shell, like a back panel. Like, for example, if you can remove the back panel of the Z Fold 7, this would be what it would be. So kind of cool, kind of unique. Obviously, size-wise, bigger than Z Fold 6. But again, Z Fold 6 Special Edition, what it ends up being in the end. Yeah, again, like I said, I don't want to try to repeat myself every single video, but it's hard not to. Don't buy this, buy the Z Fold 8. Don't buy this, buy the Z Fold 8. With that being said, the Motorola Razr 2025 just came out, and that thing looks amazing. I love the Motorola Razr series in general, but it just looks even extra S+ tier. But see you guys next one. Peace out.